Čestitamo još jednom čitavom kolektivu u Mariboru, a u nastavku ćemo minute posvetiti Formuli 1. Danas se vozi pretposljednja utrka Velika nagrada Brazila, idealan trenutak da se prisjetimo legende, nažalost tragično preminule, Brazilca Ayrtona Senne.
Večeras iznad Sao Paula, po najsjajnijim zvijezdama, vozi trostruki svjetski prvak u Formuli 1, Ayrton Senna. Snažne su emocije koje se danas osjećaju ulicom doktora Fernandesa Coelha, gdje je smještena zaklada Ayrton Senna. Njegova sestra Vivian nikad neće zaboraviti razgovor nekoliko dana prije tragične nesreće, kada joj je Ayrton rekao da moraju osnovati ustanovu kojom će pomagati djeci. Iako je prema mnogima prije 20 godina Formula 1 izgubila sve, sestra se pobrinula da njezin brat ostvari svoju posljednju želju.
Gospođice Biancom Senna, hvala što ste nas ugostili ovdje u Sao Paulu u Brazilu.
Thank you for coming here.
Što nam možete reći o ciljevima instituta Ayrton Senna koji vodi vaša majka Vivian?
Well, we have been developing this work for 20 years now. When Ayrton had the accident, it was in the same year that we decided to open the foundation. Basically, the reason why we have the foundation is because before the accident, Ayrton came to my mother and asked her to think about something that they could do in a more structured way. In a sense of before that, Ayrton used to help schools or hospitals here in Brazil, but he wanted to do something, you know, more organized. And he loved children, and he always thought that education was a key thing to develop the children and the future of this country. And unfortunately, they didn't have the time to speak again. After that conversation, and we as a family decided to make sure that his dream came true, and that's how we created the foundation. And since then, obviously, we had many changes throughout the time, but basically our aim is to give education, proper education, to as much children as we can in Brazil.
Kako se financira institut i koliko imate zaposlenih djelatnika?
We have now, working here, which is part of what we do, around 130 people. But we have more than 20,000 consultants that work on directly in the projects to make sure that the chain works. Then the way that we finance our projects is through three main areas: donations. Relationship and partnership with big companies that finance our projects, and also through licensing. So part of the revenue generated from the sales of a helmet or a t-shirt or the Sennin brand goes to the foundation.
Kako gledate na karijeru svog brata Bruna Senne?
Well, I think obviously from the family point of view, we didn't want another driver in the family, but that's what he was made to do, and he loves it. He started very late in the end because of the accident. He stopped, so he started actually competing when he was 21. So it's very late on a career of a driver.
Mislite li da bi Ayrton bio sretan ako bi ga nečak jednog dana nadmašio?
I think Ayrton was very competitive, so I don't think he would be happy, but I think he would feel, he will feel honored in a sense, you know, so.
Hvala lijepa.
Thank you.
Voditelj Ureda za medije upoznao me s aktivnostima njihove ustanove. Moram priznati, nije bilo lako slušati kako se obitelj u svibnju okupila na groblju Morumbi i kasnije se susrela s navijačima u Imoli, čime su obilježili 20. godišnjicu Sennine pogibije. Dolazak na Sennin grob, koji je posjećeniji od počivališta Johna F. Kennedyja, Marilyn Monroe i Elvisa Presleya zajedno, doživio sam vrlo emotivno. Taj osjećaj pratit će me do kraja života.
Ovdje na groblju Morumbi u Sao Paulu počiva vjerojatno najbolji vozač svih vremena, Brazilac Ayrton Senna.
Intervju s Biancom snimili smo za vrijeme svjetskog nogometnog prvenstva u Brazilu. U glavi su mi odzvanjala sjećanja navijača na svjetsko prvenstvo u SAD-u 2 mjeseca nakon Ayrtonove pogibije, kada su brazilski nogometaši svoj 4. naslov posvetili svom vozaču.